Language Tool Text Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people don't realize how many small grammar mistakes silently damage their credibility. And that's where Language Tool comes in. Language Tool is an online grammar and style checking tool that helps improve writing quality across emails, documents, and social media posts. Here's what most people get wrong. They think grammar checkers only catch spelling errors. Language Tool also checks punctuation, sentence structure, word choice, and writing tone. It supports multiple languages, making it useful for international users and bilingual writers. You can use Language Tool through a browser extension, desktop app, or directly on its website. It checks text in real time and offers suggestions to improve clarity. However, the surprising truth is that free versions have limited advanced checks. Full style and tone suggestions require a paid plan. Language Tool is best for students, professionals, and content creators who want clean, professional writing. The surprising truth is that better writing builds trust. Language Tool helps polish your message before you send it. If you want to write with more confidence and clarity, Language Tool is worth trying. Subscribe to the channel for more productivity tools and honest reviews.